Hey guys, warm welcome. I'm Praveen Nair from Body Pro Coach Nutrition. Alright, so avocado has got some high amount of good fats and potassium. So what does potassium do? Potassium regulates the fluid balance and muscle contraction. So it's time to see the recipe now.
First, half an avocado, that's about 50 grams. To that we're going to add some basil leaves and half a cup of almond milk, that's about 35 ml. 1 teaspoon stevia, and lastly some ice. And our keto avocado drink is ready. Lastly, I'm going to drizzle with little cinnamon powder and top it up with a basil leaf.
And here it is, it's ready to serve. You guys want to make sure that you subscribe with that bell icon to get the access on this 6-time video from Body Pro Coach team. And please do share the channel with your friends and family. Lots of love. We'll see you in the next video.